Some learners for the intermediate level in Python. Hope your girl guys all get clear with the beginner in our platform. I hope you are clear with the exams in beginner. Okay, let's start with the intermediate. But before going with the intermediate, just let's recap with beginner concept. Yeah. In that slide, we will just taking the basic concept with how to displaying the output and how to use the list, index, string, then coming for the loop concept, while, for loop, while loop, then also dive into the functional like declarations, parameters, and also you're all knowing the basic problems and the complex problem, and you're all knowing to how to generate your own passwords, right? Okay, let's move on to level one in the intermediate of Python. Okay, now we will just dive into the concept with data structures, list structure, and the concept with that. You will having a fine exploring of the basic of data structure. In this era, we will just going to our data structure. Data structure is a specialized format for organizing, process, and retrieving storing data. Okay. And giving this real-time example. If you go to any big city, you might not see the fancy people, but you will see tall buildings, right? When you go inside a building, you will see different people living on different floors. However, from outside, each floor of the building has a similar look. This means each floor has a similar structure, right? Don't forget about the cities and buildings. Think about the last time you and your friends broke a strict school rule. You were kicked out from your school, right? You have vividly remembered the notice board. Your name was on top. Every row Linux notes board has a similar structure, similar look. However, each row has different data, different name, and student ID. So now you look this notice the data in a structured way, right? Okay. When you put data in a structured way, it is called a data structure. A data structure helps you to store, manipulate, and use data in an efficient way. Come with the point. What is a data structure? A structure to store, manipulate, and use data. Right? So take from this point, use data structure to store and manipulate, use data. Okay. Let's move to the next topic with list structure. Python has a great built-in list type named list. These are the kind of things that we are already seen in the beginner level. This list in between the data structure, how we use the list. Let's see. The data structure has the three important properties to store more than one data, special structure to store data, specific rules to add or remove data. Right? Remember your old friends list. I'll just come with the you don't look at this. This thing you can put more than one value in each list. Each value is separated by comma. This means a list has a specific structure to put multiple values or data, right? If we are running it, it is having output as this. Kind of steps are already seen in the beginner level. In this intermediate level, you are just diving to add or remove with the list structure. So to add or append, so you already know how to add the data in a list, right? So to add the data, you use the append keyword and to use remove the elements from the list. Okay, we all know. A list has a data structure. You can put multiple data and has a specific way to add or remove data. That's why a list array is a data structure. So what kind of things is list in a data structure? To import multiple data in a structured way and have a specific way to add or remove data. Okay. So this, the list is a data structure. While we run this thing, we get of us a pen. We just add the snakement from the list, snakement to the list, just as thing. We just remove the statement from the list. You're not supposed to see the thing, the statement in the list. Okay? Coming for stack. Stack is an abstract data type with predefined capacity. Right? One day you need $100 to purchase a new video game. So you ask your dad to give you 100. He said, if you clean dishes for 7 days, I will give you 100. Okay? Now, every day after dinner, everyone smiles at you. And you take one plate and put the plate on the top of the previous one, and then another plate on the second plate. This means you are creating a stack of plates, right? When you take the plate to the cleaning place, you take the top one out to clean it, and then you take the second one from the stack of plate and clean that one, right? So come to the point. What is stack? Putting one thing on top of the another. Okay. One important feature in the stack is the last element you put will be take off the first. This is called a lost in first out. In short, lost in first out is called LIFO, LIFO. That's why the last plate you added on the stack was on top, and while removing, you took the last one out first. So, what is LIFO? Last in, first out. While understanding more in the stack, if you're not strong as WW star on the rock, you will need some winter clothes to go outside during the winter season. Right? You might wear a t-shirt, then a shirt, then a sweater, and finally a jacket. This means you are putting one cloth on the top of the another and creating a stock clothes on it. Now, if you want to take off the clothes, you can't take off all of them together, right? You have to be an obedient kid. You have to slowly take off the jacket and then take off the sweater, next the shirt, finally t-shirt. This means you follow the LIFO policy. It's wearing winter clothes is stack, right? So where you have these two stacks, a stack of plate and a stack of clothes. Let's see whether you can identify the things of stacks or not. You need to move 5 steps. Which one is it? Like first put on one chair on top of another to back something. If you are in a bus transfer, is also a stack. Putting one books and storing one top of the another. This kind of things are also including the stacks. New things before the previous create the stack. Okay? This kind of basic things also very important today. Okay? Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, just dive into our concept with the intermediate level. I'll see you with next classes with new topics in more practical way. Okay? Thank you.
To obtain a course completion certificate, visit our site and finish the rest of the course video. Sign up or sign in, choose your level, watch the video and take the quiz. Finish all the quiz to unlock the final quiz and get your certificate. Happy learning!